Salesforce has assigned the code IND-DEV-201 to the Certified Industries CPQ Developer credential. This video, brought to you by Pass for Success, will guide you through the updated exam facts and the exact domain breakdown you need to focus on. The Salesforce Industries CPQ Developer credential is designed for professionals who have experience building configure, price, quote applications for the Salesforce Communications, Media, and Energy and Utilities clouds. A certified developer can create products, promotions, pricing, and rules for order and quoting processes. You can register and schedule the exam through Salesforce Trailhead Academy, powered by Web Assessor. The test is available online with a remote proctor or on-site at a certified test center. Here are the key details you need to know. 60 multiple choice or multiple select questions, plus up to 5 unscored questions. 105 minutes total time. Passing score 65%. Exam content aligned to the Summer 22 release. Registration fee $200. Retake fee $100. The exam is divided into the following sections: products 20%, promotions and discounts 7%, pricing 17%, rules 12%, APIs 12%, ordering and quoting 12%, troubleshooting 20%. This certification highlights your expertise as a Salesforce Industries CPQ developer, proving your ability to configure products, pricing, rules, and APIs across complex quoting processes. It builds professional credibility, increases your value in the job market, and opens doors to new opportunities in industries like communications, media, and energy and utilities. Pass for Success provides updated study resources and structured preparation material aligned with Salesforce's latest exam outlines. Learners worldwide trust Pass for Success to prepare effectively and approach their certification exams with confidence. Thanks for watching. For complete study guides and full preparation for the IND-DEV-201 certification, visit passforsuccess.com today. Start your preparation now and take the next big step in your Salesforce career with confidence.